An evicted man breaks into his former apartment complex, demands his phone, resists arrest, and then knocks himself unconscious in the middle of it all.
You know, I packed all my shit out front, right? I noticed that my telephone is gone. That my telephone is upstairs in my house on the charger. These motherfuckers, I asked every last one of them.
Hey, don't call them names.
All right.
Call me names, don't call them names.
Right. I ain't gonna call you no names.
According to the orders, he has to talk to Mike Brzezinski over at 191.
I just asked y'all, can y'all go
Stop.
in there and get my phone?
No. It is their job to run this place. It is your responsibility to take care of yourself, not their responsibility to take care of you. They tried taking care of you. If you got evicted from here, you were doing something wrong, not them.
No, sir.
What do you want with him? You just want him out of here?
Yes, he does.
That's
Trespassing.
my telephone,
You're
sir. Can I get my
trespassing.
telephone, please? Please,
Stop.
can I get my telephone?
Stop.
I'm on parole, sir.
Stop.
And that's how I get contact Mr. Brown.
Do me a favor, go wait outside.
All right.
That's all you want to listen out here? Don't want him arrested for trespassing or anything like that?
No, I want him ticketed for trespassing. He's made threats. He's threatened him.
So you do want him arrested for trespassing?
Yes, there's breaking and entering. Any sort of
Crazy, man. They know I need my phone, sir. That's how I contact my parole agent.
Sorry, come here. Come here, let's figure this out. First off, give me the crowbar. Here are your keys.
Yes, sir. I just need my telephone. Can you please have him get my telephone? That's all I ask, man.
Hold this.
That's all I ask. Just for my telephone, man.
Come up here. Face that way.
What is all this for, bud?
You're being detained. Face this way.
For what, man?
Hands behind your back.
For what? All this all my property. I'm not going.
Hey,
look,
I'm not here to fight with you. I
I
gave you
don't
simple
want to fight with you.
instructions. You're not
This
listening.
all my property
Face
right
this
here. I
way.
just got evicted, man.
Face this way.
No, man, this is crazy, man. This
Other
is all
hand.
my property right here, man. Everything I own, man. That's all I asked him to do is get my telephone. That's all I asked him. That's crazy, man. It's all my property. My uncle helping me move up out of here. All I asked the brother is to get my telephone. Please can you get my telephone. Me and his telephone is in the house. Both of our telephone is in there. And he just helped me. He just helped me move. That's it. That's it, man. That's it. And I asked him. I sat here behind that gate. I wouldn't even came in. They told me, no, they playing games. You know, telling me no. Come on, y'all know the officer just left here. You feel me? You see, I'm still putting my shit up. You know what I mean? They just left. Can I get my telephone, please? I'm on parole, but that's how I can contact my parole agent. You feel me? They on my ass. I'm on high control. They not playing with me. You know what I mean? I need my phone. They call me and Mr. Brown supposed to have been here today. You know what I'm saying?
You guys buzz the door, please. Can you just stand by with him?
Yes, sir. Hey, can you tell me my telephone, please?
Alright, the police officer's here. I want to put you on speaker. This is my boss.
Well, can I talk to you first?
Yes, I'll call you back.
All right.
I'll shut off the radio.
No, you can leave the radio on. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on here. Because originally you said you just wanted him out of here. I was like, all right, get out. And then when you did want him cited, I was like, let me make sure I get him so that... Okay, so...
He broke in that gate. He broke in through that gate.
Let me get through the first
Alright, I'm sorry.
He was evicted today?
He was evicted today, yes.
By the sheriffs?
By the sheriffs,
Okay.
yes.
Do you have a copy of the eviction form?
It's all up on his door.
Okay, cool. I'll get it from there.
I have the other
How long ago was that?
That was a few hours ago today.
Okay, so a few hours ago today he was evicted, and then he came back in. When he came back in today, how did he get in?
He broke the door.
How did he do that?
He used that, I believe, to open up that gate.
Okay. Did he try ringing on the door first?
No.
No. He just came right in and started prying?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. After he did that, what happened?
He was in the lobby, and then he, I'm not sure how he got through that gate, but I can look to see if he used that chimney to get through that gate as well.
Okay. And then what happened when he got through that gate?
He went up to the 4th floor, and then he went down to room 203, and then I think he would try to go back up to the 4th floor, and then he came down through the lobby.
Okay. Where was his room?
His room is in 401.
401.
Yeah.
Who is 203?
203 is a friend or another resident here that he's been using to store things in his room.
Okay.
We've called Adult Protective Services because he sexually assaulted that person. He's got a real bad history with that. But he's intimidated by him, and the person in 203 is also addicted to drugs and is his source of those drugs.
Lovely. Police department.
Yes.
Hey, how you doing today, sir? Hey. So, I'm dealing with something with this guy downstairs. Does he have any property of his in your room?
No.
Is this his or yours? Is there anything else that's his in your room? If not, don't worry about it. If it is, give it to the front desk so that he doesn't come back here, okay? Thank you.
The gate is broken.
The gate gets broken?
Which gate?
The main gate to the hotel.
How's it broken?
See this little, it's supposed to be here. Don't hold it.
Stop buzzing it.
Stop buzzing it, Adam.
Just shut a minute ago. Well, so here's my thing. A minute ago, I just went to go through here and it was locked, and I couldn't get in until he buzzed it. And so my issue is, it's going to be hard for me to justify when a minute ago it was working.
Like he literally,
Well,
you know.
I understand that. He has the video, right?
Yeah.
But I had asked if there was any damage. We'd gone and looked at it. This was working a second ago and I just went through.
Okay.
So when I went through, I couldn't push it because it's on my camera. I shook the door to try to get in.
Let's try again one more time.
Well, no, so the issue is I can see this. I can see that this is off.
Yeah.
But I can't say that this was necessarily caused by him because I tried it and it wasn't working. Then I walk away and all of a sudden now it's not working.
Before this happened, it wasn't good. It wasn't a problem.
So I understand that, but since I've been here, since I came here, I came to this door and I shook this door multiple times, and there wasn't the issue of it not catching. And then when I went to go through the next time, he had to buzz it and it had to catch.
Okay.
And so go ahead and buzz it.
Was there anything?
All right. And so now it should catch on its own. You're saying? And it's not catching. I mean. All right. I'll note it. You all have a locksmith? Is this yours?
Yes, I found it by the police station, yeah.
So it is yours. It was just a yes or no question. You said yes, so I'm assuming it is yours.
No, that was in the hallway, bro. What are you talking about? That was in the hallway upstairs, bro. That's in the hallway, bro. It's been in the hallway for weeks, bro. What are you talking about? You go look at the camera. That shit been in the hallway for weeks. What do you mean, is it mine? What is it? It's a f***ing toy car, right?
You done talking?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Yes or no, is this yours?
No, bro. It was
Okay.
in the hallway,
Stop
bro.
talking. It was yes or no. There's no explanation needed.
Oh, I apologize.
I went by 203. 203 said this is yours. So I was going to put it with your property. 203 also says there is none of your property in his room, so you're going to stop going to 203. Additionally, stop talking. Additionally, you are not coming back to this property until you do the correct thing by calling the program manager and setting up a time to go here to get into the room. You are not getting into the room today. You are going to jail if you step 1 foot onto this property after this interaction. Do you understand?
Yes, sir. I understand. I apologize, okay?
No. Stop. You don't apologize. I know you for what? Since 2017, you were causing me problems in Mission. And you followed me over here and you're calling me problems here. Bullshit. I'll find 90 reports with you.
I ain't never been in a mission.
What's up?
I was saying I hope nobody taking nothing off my part.
Well, now that you don't live here, is there a good address you can get mail at? I gotta call your pro officer to see if they want to take you in on this. If they don't want to take you in, you're going to get a ticket for trespassing and possession of burglary tools. If they do want to take you in, you're going to jail. Do you have any questions on that? Yes or no? Which question?
I just want to get my I didn't want to, break into shit, man. I know, I understand, sir.
I wasn't trying to get you to tell the story on this. I haven't Mirandized you. I was just asking you if you understand.
Yes, sir.
There is a process to this. The sheriff's explained to you. You also could have grabbed your phone when the sheriffs are here. So, one of the things I've been trying to teach people is personal. One of the things I've been trying to teach people is personal responsibility, since apparently that's not taught or recommended anymore. But you are responsible for your behavior wherever you go. You're responsible to do what is usually the right thing wherever you go. Right? So, stop putting yourself in a position to where you're doing the wrong things, and then furthermore, stop not taking responsibility for doing the wrong thing.
Right.
Learn from it, move on.
Yeah, exactly. I did break.
No, that's not me telling you to admit to anything.
Right.
I've stopped you multiple times, man. You just want to keep telling me. Alright.
Yes, sir.
Stuff. Is there somebody out here that's...
Can I talk to Mr.
Can I finish? No.
Yes, sir.
No, you don't. You don't get that chance. Everything you did put you in the situation that you're in today.
Sir,
Remember
that's
this
all
personal
my property. That's
responsibility?
everything.
That's what I'm asking you. So this is what
I
we're
don't
going to
know
do.
where to... Sir, I don't know where to...
Is there somebody out here that you trust to watch it or take custody of it, or do we need to do that as a city?
Sir, I don't...
You have two options. Slow down. You have two options. Are you freaking kidding me, dude? Where's this personal responsibility thing I was just talking about? Where's this thing I was just talking about? Now you're acting like a kid.
Bro, that's all
You're throwing a tantrum. Is there somebody you trust to watch your belongings, or does the city have to take custody of it, was my question. Do you need us as the city to hold your property for you?
Man, dude, I never get my property back when y'all do that, bro.
No, you never go and pick it up, probably.
Yes, I go.
Where do you go to get it?
To Cesar Chavez, man. I never
What's
got
the
my
address?
property back.
What's the address?
It's. Man, I'm not from San Francisco. I'm not from here, bro. But I know it's 30th and Cesar Chavez. 30th and Cesar Chavez, man. I'm not from here, though, officer. I swear to God, I'm not from here. I'm from Oakland, man. I never got my property, sir.
You can take that up with DPW on why they're not giving you your property.
Man, I ain't never got my shit back. I swear to God, I haven't, man.
You guys want to take him to the station while I figure out his property?
Please, man, please, officer.
Do this to yourself.
Please.
Don't please me. Don't please me. Hey, can you help? I just took my gloves off. Can you help? Did he just knock himself out? He's not reacting to pain compliance. Hey. Back up.
John.
Give us a second.
Me, man, what did I do, man? What did I do, man?
410 Eddie, yes. I'm not doing this.
Hey, Tito,
This
cousin,
is gonna be a
can you
7
take my shit, cuz?
You know him? Okay. Do you mind giving us some space to work? You guys can watch him from afar. You know why he's throwing his head into things? Hey, it's Officer McMaster again. Hey, so when Deshaun hears he's going to go in and get a hold, he starts throwing his head into the wall, and he just threw his head into a cage. So, he's definitely playing the in-custody game. So I'm going to get him an ambulance to the hospital, give him his ticket, and then we'll have the city seize all of his property. Stand up. Come on, stand up. Pull your knees in.
My neck hurt, bro. My head hurt,
Okay,
bro.
well, we're not moving you.
What the fuck, bro?
You did that to yourself.
Can you pull me up, bro?
No, if you just complain that your head and neck hurt, we're not touching you. Because if you have a head or neck injury, we're not liable for the things that you did to yourself.
How's it going?
Good. So this gentleman was going to get a ticket. His pro officer said to revoke and take him to jail. And then when he heard he was going to jail, he threw his head into the wall and then the cage. He's now complaining of head and neck pain.
Okay.
So I ain't touching him. Unfortunately, we're in this situation.
Great. So was he unconscious at all for you guys, or?
So he was.
Look straight ahead and look up.
Normally when I think people are acting like it, I do pain compliance and they're like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
He didn't respond to pain compliance when I did it.
Okay.
So I don't. I don't know if he was out. He did come to pretty short after, but that's the first time I've had somebody not respond to me.
How long was he out? Would you say?
5 seconds.
Okay.
Come on, man.
Come on, you can stand up.
You guys go with the cuffs.
What is this, a weight on me?
Sure.
No, you can hold your own weight. Stop moving.
Just taking the handcuffs off, boss.
Stop moving.
Look. All right, because why is it possession of a burglary tool, right?
Because you used it to pry open the gate. That's why.
Okay.
If you just had it in your toolbox and left it there, it's called a tool.
Yeah.
But when you use it to break into something, it is now illegal.
Okay. All right. That guy, I got his pipe. Remember he asked y'all, can he get his pipe from me?
No, I don't.
Well, the brother right there, he said, hey man, can you tell him to give me my pipe?
Yeah, I don't remember that.
Oh, you
Oh, is this the cell phone you were looking for? The one in your pocket?
No, sir, that's not it. I got an Obama cell phone.
That's nice. As we've been told by the city, we're no longer allowed to cite people for pipes because the city gives them out. That doesn't make any sense to me, but okay. Hey man, you got a ton of money here. Unless that's fake. That kind of looks a little fake.
Yeah, that's fake money.
Okay, why do you have fake money?
Because it's in my house.
Yeah, that doesn't make sense.
And we be playing Monopoly with that money, all type of shit. You know what I'm saying?
Well, I'm gonna have to add 2 drug charges on you.
What drug charges, man? That is my medication.
Okay, that's fine. Until they start prescribing heroin and crack, it's not your medication.
Heroin and crack. I ain't got no heroin.
In my hand. That's heroin, so don't tell me I'm tripping.
Where
And I didn't really look
that
at
come
this.
from, bruh?
That's not crack.
What the did that come from?
It was in your pocket. This pocket. It came from your pocket.
Swear to God.
I'm not a magician.
Bruh, I ain't had no motherfucking heroin, bruh. That's one thing I didn't have. I don't,
You got it. It's right here.
oh shit, I did just put, oh, that wasn't my,